back or okay?
Either way. Very good. Thank you.
So, and she's putting me on the Right, we got you a bag. You want a third of a pound?
That would be great.
We've got it all ready
Let
over
me,
there.
Hey, how are you? Hi, I love your hat. Thank you. I had to pull
Pork, that's easy because it's 657 and 7, so that's 2050, right? That's a good price you got on those maters.
Kind of like aliens.
The coffee shirt. But I think that maybe I thought. There's I found a company. It's out of town.
And my phone number is 423.
Thank you, sir.
The refreshments in the center. We're getting some food
Well,
just had regular.
okay.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, thank you.
Put them back in the end until I steal the eggs. I got all brown and I got white and brown too.
That works for me.
Thank you. While I don't have chickens this time of year, they're still on pasture because they eat grass. I bring my cooler full of greens. So once the greens go out and it gets hot anyway, I'll have frozen chickens to sell here.
Well, tell us about this.
This is just what I...
Well, it turned into lovely croutons with our salad on Wednesday.
That really does.
So, yeah.
12 home videos of the market.
Oh, yeah.
I'm gonna try to build another one by the end of the summer. A little one that kind of forms out.
You found how good.
My eyes just went straight to strawberry lemonade.
That's awesome. We'll come back for more.
Thank you so much.
Because we